Hi guys, I'm going to give this a run with the new motor. It's actually raining hard outside, so we just happen to be in the Tesco car park. So I'll give it a little run round in here. There's a space over there that we can go to. Oh, that's forwards. Yeah, backwards is a problem. I reckon that motor's a bad motor. That's weird. Yep, I reckon that's another dead motor I put in there. Squeaking. Well, that'll do, it works, but I think that motor's no good. We're home now, as you can probably tell. Just want to try reversing the wires on the motor to check whether it's the motor that doesn't go backwards or it's the ESC playing up, because I'm assuming it's the motor. So at the moment, that's forwards. And that's backwards. So if I reverse the wires going to the motor, we'll be able to see if it goes faster that way. At the moment it goes fastest that way, which is clockwise as we're looking at that wheel. So I'll swap the wires over for the motor, which conveniently are on there. So we'll just switch it off for a minute. Right, so now forwards should be spinning it that way. And it's going fast that way. So in that case, it's either the ESC playing up, or as I did mention while I was putting it together, it's just possible that might be a higher voltage motor. I mean, I'm running it on a 3S, 12 volts, between 12 and 14 volts. It might be a 24 volt motor. I don't know. It was a random motor from my box. But it does look like the ESC is significantly slower in reverse. So I guess the only thing I can do there is try a different ESC, because I don't have a 4S LiPo. I suppose I could join two 2S's together. To give us more voltage we're talking about. But that looks like it's not the motor. Ooh, do you hear that squeak? Yeah, okay. So either a different ESC. I can't remember what size ESC that one is. Right, we'll think about that. But at least I know it's not the motor, because the motor goes just as fast in the opposite direction when we reverse the battery or the feed. Well, that's the ESC 2 to 3S LiPo. So I better not try and run it on a 4S. I have to have a look, see what I've got in stock. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.